Patrick from the National Electrical Manufacturers Association. I'm here today at NEMA's headquarters in Rosslyn, Virginia, but I want to talk to you about my house, which is actually located just over my shoulder in Washington, D.C. You may know me from NEMA's The Patrick Project, which is a project that my wife and I are undertaking to make our home zero net energy. That means we want to produce as much energy as we consume over the course of a year. The first thing we did to get to zero net energy is make our house as energy efficient as possible. We started by focusing on lighting. By replacing all of our traditional incandescent lights with LEDs, we're saving in the order of 75 to 90% of the energy that we used to on lighting. We also coupled that with lighting controls that turn off the lights when they're not in use or when there's adequate daylight. The second thing we did to make our house more energy efficient was to focus on plug loads. There's an idea called vampire power, which is that electronics and appliances use energy even when they're not turned on. To cut down on the amount of vampire power that our electronics were using, we use surge protectors, power strips, as well as automated what are called controlled receptacles, which can automatically turn off plugs when they're not in use. The third thing we did to make our home more energy efficient is to focus on our heating and cooling by installing a programmable thermostat that reduces the temperature when we're not home. Turns down the heat or turns down the air conditioning automatically. And if I forget, I can actually do it from my cell phone. Now, there's also a unique aspect to our thermostat in that it allows us to participate in our utility's demand response program, which means that during the peak hours in the summer when electricity is most expensive, our utility actually pays us to reduce our air conditioning demand. Now finally, to get to zero net energy, we had to install some sort of generation. What we did is we installed solar panels on our home that allow us to produce more energy than we consume. To find out more about the things that my wife Amy and I have done in our home, you can visit our website, www.nema.org/thepatrickproject. Thank you.